There's stuff in the water here, boys, by the look of it. Petrol can, nice. Logs. This is where all the litter gathers, by the look of it.
Balls.
Ball, yeah.
Balls.
One of them looks like it's polystyrene.
Hold me beer.
There's a proper basketball under there somewhere. He's riding logs. That doesn't sound right.
Brown log. Oh, it's a buoy.
It's a buoy, isn't it? Buoy.
It's a buoy.
Have it.
Right, I've got to get back off this now.
That's a buoy as well.
You were a small boy.
I can't believe it.
Shall I have them on side?
Oh, I thought I found a Greenland paddle there. I got really excited. It's a,
I found an ostrich egg.
look at that. I thought, I found a Greenland paddle. Look, I got really excited. I found that in the water and I thought I found a Greenland paddle. Well, I'll tell you what, if he can get one out, I'm getting one out. I want that one over there. You can see it, can't you, in the camera? I'm in the soup. Right, let's see if I can drag it over. Oh, almost got it. It's like a bowling ball, this one. Bowling boy. Right, I'm going to go and clean it off. There we go, just washed in the water. There's an addition to the boat. There's another football in there. I wonder if I can get in. It's a big boat to be doing stuff like this with, but it's a good test of what you can actually do with it, I think. I might not be able to get in there. I don't know where Dave's got his banging me. Oh, sticks everywhere. Oh, they're dead. I can snap them off. The daft things we do, eh? It's that ball I'm after. Oh, bloody great branches, ain't we? I'm in. Kind of. Right now, can I... You are?
Are you turning into me?
I've always been a bit you, Dave. You just never noticed it.
I've always known I've been a trend setter. But what are you doing?
I want that ball.
That ball.
I want that ball. Got it. Come here, you. I'm knocking camera all over with paddle. Here we go. Got it. That's two. There we go. Right, now can I get back out? Oh, this might be a separate video. Just because of the daftness of this. Right, can I turn? I can't turn round. I've got to try reversing out. I'm a little bit stuck on something. Right, let me just pull forward again and then flip that round. Paddle. So this is how you test a boat to see what kind of crap it can actually take and put up
Come
with.
the Holocaust, you'll have to do this.
Come the zombie apocalypse.
Wrong side at front.
I'm more or less out of here. I am, more or less. Camera's got knocked. Oh, hey up, paddle lead round camera, round branch. Oh, hey, shit on camera. Done it! Oh, yeah! Right, now the petrol can. You what? Well, look what I got. I got two things.
You're turning into me.
Look, I've got a bigger thing than you.
You're
and a bowl.
Hey,
Yeah.
you're turning into me, fella.
As I say, that might be a separate video clip. I don't know. If it is, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy the daft stuff we get up to in inflatable boats. Look, I've got twigs in my boat. Oh.
They're not toys.
That is a fair point. I don't know whether you heard that. Say it again.
Sam.
He said it proves they're not toys.
To prove these are not toys, they are more than capable boats.
Yeah,
Quite a lot of abuse before they'll let you down.
they'll take quite a lot of abuse before they let you down. That's very true. Yeah, so good on you, Aquaglide. This has taken a bit of hammer today. Test part 1 done. If you like this video, you know what to do about liking it. See ya.